Hello everyone, this is ZenoT1 and in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Google Chrome. Let's get into it. So firstly you have to make sure you have Google Chrome over here and you just enter it. And once you are on here, you click on here the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you go down here to more tools. From more tools, you're gonna look for clear browsing data. You click on that and this one pop up. So what you have to do now is to check this one and also make sure to check this one if you want clear the cookies and click clear data. Before that, make sure it's all time so it can clear all the cache that you have. And again, click clear data. It takes some time and now it's done. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned how to clear cache from Google Chrome now. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.